Ayan, so hello again. We are on the part 2 na ni Fact and Opinion. So kung hindi nyo pa na papanood si part 1, panoorin nyo muna kasi doon natin dinefine or doon yung definition ni Fact and Opinion, ano yung kanilang pagkakaiba, and yung mga signal words ni Fact and Opinion. While part 2 naman focuses on the examples. Okay, so doon muna bago dito kay part 2. Okay, so let's start. Ayan, so based sa ating monitor, as you can see, mayroon tayo dito makikitang number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for number 1, okay, the statement says, Cory Island is located at Honda Bay, Santa Lourdes, Puerto Princesa City. Kung napanood nyo yung part 1, okay, explain doon na if the statement can be researched or proven, it means it is a fact. So this statement can be researched. So it means there will be a references kung saan makikita yung information about Cory Island. Cory Island ay located sa Honda Bay, sa Barangay Santa Lourdes, Puerto Princesa City. So this is a fact. Okay, number 2, it is named after a kind of shell called Cory. Okay, so bakit siya tinawag na Cory Island? Because it is named after a shell, which can also be researched. So it means this is a fact. I guess this is the best island among all other islands around Honda Bay. Okay, so one of the signal word for opinion is the word I guess, sa tingin ko. Okay, so it means this one, dahil gumamit siya ng signal word for opinion, at not sure, I guess, nanguhula ka lang. So this is opinion. Okay, I think you will really enjoy the fine sand and the blue sea. Again, gumamit ng signal word for opinion, which means I think. O, sa tingin mo, pero hindi sa tingin ng lahat. So, iba-iba ng, ng opinion. Iba-iba ng sagot. So, this is a opinion. Ayan. So here are some statements and tips on how to distinguish if the statement is a fact or an opinion and how the statement can be verified. So paano natin mapapatunayan that a statement is a fact? Okay, so ito yung mga example. Number 1, Vatican City, a place, is the smallest country in the world, measuring just 0.2 square miles. Okay, so sabi it is a fact because it can be proven checking reference book or an atlas. An atlas is a reference book kung saan yung mga information is about places. Okay, number 2, Melchora Aquino name, also known as Tandang Sora, is considered the mother of Balintawak because of her contribution to help the sick and wounded revolutionaries during Spanish colonization. So sabi, it is also a fact kasi it can be proven checking history books or other reliable resources. Ayon, by looking at our history books, we can verify the information. Okay, number 3, the Titanic is possibly the most beautiful movie of all time. Okay, gumamit ng salitang possibly. Okay, so opinion daw siya because signal word possibly, they cannot be proven, okay, or a point of view. So, hindi natin mapuprove yung statement na pinakamagandang movie ay si Titanic. Kasi, pwedeng mag-iba-iba yan, depende sa taste ng tao. Okay, and number 4, you should visit the theme park because of its world-class array of rides and show. Okay, so, anong sabi daw dito? Yung salitang should, ayan, tells us that this is a opinion. Okay. So, kailangan talagang matandaan nyo yung mga signal words for facts and opinion. Ayan, so sabi for the activity, highlight yellow for the text that indicates fact and green for opinion. Okay, the moon. The moon is the only natural satellite that the Earth has. A satellite is an object that revolves around a larger object. The moon does not produce its own light. It only reflects the light coming from the sun. During the ancient times, people believed that the moon has a big influence in their lives. They used the moon as their guide. The moon gives signs about the weather. A lot of superstitious beliefs and practices were passed on generation to generation. Now, some of these and practices are still part of the life of some people. Okay, so we're going to determine which part of the paragraph is fact and which one is opinion. So we're going to use yellow for facts. So uning sentence. The moon is the only satellite that the Earth has. So can we verify this statement na the only satellite of the moon is of the Earth is the moon? And what reference are we going to use? So mga science textbook, encyclopedia, actually we can also use reliable websites in the internet para malaman natin kung totoo ba to. But okay, for our let's say we already researched the answer. Okay, the moon is the only natural satellite that the Earth has. This is a fact. Okay, unlike other planets, they have more than one satellite or moon. Si Earth, isa lang. Okay, a satellite is an object that revolves around a larger object. Okay, umiikot ba si satellite sa larger object? Yes. And kung saan siya umiikot, that is the Earth. So, this is a fact. The moon does not produce its own light. Okay, so as we can see, di ba, yung moon ay napakaliwanag, especially at night, but it does not produce its own light, which is also a fact. It's because the moon reflects the light coming from the sun. Okay, this is fact. Ayan, during the ancient times, so, noong unang panahon, people believe that the moon has big influence in their lives. They use the moon as their guide. The moon gives sign about the weather. So, in this case, some people believe that the moon serves as their guide. But some people don't. And yet, hindi pa rin ito napapatunayan 100% na using the moon, it can give signs about the weather. Okay? Ang point lang natin to children, sa mga paniniwala or belief, especially for different culture, okay, we cannot make fun of what other people's believe or belief. So, yung kunyari, ang paniniwala nila ay ganun. Kasi, sabi nga, these beliefs pass on from generation to generation. Galing pa to sa mga kanununuan nila. So, may mga bagay-bagay tayong pinapaniwalaan that cannot be proven by science. And though we're not believing or sabi natin, hindi tayo naniniwala ng mabilis sa mga ganong information o naririnig natin, still, we need to pay respect. Okay? Hindi natin sila pagtatawanan or make fun of that information. Diba? Na, uto-uto sila kasi naniniwala silang ganyan. No. Okay? We should respect, learn how to respect their tradition, their beliefs. Okay? But because of our lesson, for this day, which is fact and opinion, and we use this text, okay, ika-clarify natin na, kaya nga sabi natin, when we say opinion, pinapaniwalaan, pwedeng paniwalaan ng certain group, pwedeng hindi rin paniwalaan ng iba. And walang enough evidence. So, in this case, wala siyang enough evidence that prove that the moon gives signs about the weather. Okay? So, we will use green on this part. Ayan. A lot of superstitious beliefs and practices were passed on from generation to generation. Now, some of these practices are still part of of the life of the people. So, ginagawa pa rin to at pinaniniwalaan pa rin to ng maraming tao, okay, who believes na guide nila ang moon. So, ang point lang natin is respect the opinion of others. Kasi when makikipag-argue tayo sa kanila, wala tayong laban doon. And we will just create, tawag dito, conflict. Diba? So, respect ay napakahalaga when it comes to this situation. Okay, lalo na kung pag-uusapan is fact and opinion at ang pinupuntirya na ay about the beliefs, okay, about religion. Those are delicate topics na dapat careful tayo when we are commenting, giving our comments, opinions about religions and traditions or beliefs. Okay, so let's answer this one. Shade the fact box if the statement is a fact, and shade the opinion box if the statement is an opinion. The first one is done for you. Okay, number 1. Okay, so because we cannot shade fully, i-check na lang natin. Okay, number 1, Jose P. Rizal is the Philippine national hero. So, the answer is already given, and the answer is fact. Okay, number 2, he is the nicest I ever met. Oh, siya daw yung pinakamabait na na-met niya. Okay, so, pwede sa kanya mabait, but sa others, hindi. So, this will be an opinion. Okay, number 3, one of our learning modalities is this new normal is through printed modules. One of our learning modalities in this new normal is through printed modules. Yung new normal yung nakaraan natin during pandemic wherein nagmo-module lang yung mga bata. Okay, is it a fact or an opinion? It is a fact. Tama ba? Meron tayong printed modules. Okay, meron tayong other alternative modalities. Pero dito sa Puerto, ang ginamit natin is printed modules. Number 4, my mother thinks that modular learning is better than face-to-face. Okay, yung ating clue here is the word my mother thinks, which is a signal word for opinion. So, opinion yan. Number 5, dogs are mammals. Is it true? Yes, so this is a fact. My dog might bite strangers, so we put it inside the cage. Okay, the word might means not sure. Okay, there's a possibility but not sure, 100% sure. So, it is an opinion. Next activity, circle the letter F if the statement is a fact and O if it is an opinion. Underline also the words or words that signals a fact or opinion statement. Be guided by the example. Okay, number 1, nasagutan na. Pista Iang Kagiban is celebrated at Puerto Princesa City every month of June. Okay, if you don't know what is Pista Kagiban, it is a celebration, okay, wherein people or Palaweños gather every June, okay, to plant trees para ma-maintain natin yung green ng Palawan. Okay, so this is this is fact. This is true. Okay, yung real number 1 na tayo. Okay, I guess it is the most festive celebration of trees in our country. So, of course, in Palawan, we can say it is the most festive because this is the only celebration wherein talagang nagtatanim ang mga Palaweños. But we cannot say it true for the whole country. Whole country na kasi yung sinasabi dyan. And then the word I guess. Okay, so gumamit tayo ng signal word na I guess, sa tingin ko, sa hula ko. So this is an opinion. Number 2, Pista Iang Kagiban started on June 30, 1991. So in this case, we need to verify the information if this is true or not. So you can research kasi it is an exact date. So hindi pwedeng pataka-taka ka lang, huhula-hula ka lang. So you need to research, look for recorded or history books. You can also search it online. Basta make sure na credible yung website. And then kung tama ang exact information, it means the information is a fact. Okay, number 3, Suburao Festival is also known as Puerto Princesa Underground River Day, which is a biodiversity festival. Okay, so the answer here, ano sabi, is also known as Puerto Princesa Underground River Day or Biodiversity Festival. So, if you know the information, that is a fact. Number 4, I think Balayong Festival is more festive than Subarao. Okay, so the word I think and comparing Balayong and Subarao, this is an opinion. Number 5, you will probably feel connected to nature when you join planting activities such as love affair with nature. Okay, of course, that is for me, on my opinion, that is true for me. Kasi, 'di ba, when you plant trees, you give back to nature. Hindi lang tayo kuha and we feel more closer to them when we engage ourselves sa mga meaningful activities like love affair with nature. love affair with nature is an activity wherein nagtatanim ang mga tao sa ng mga ng mga seedlings ng mangroves. Okay. So, for me, okay, this is true, but take note of the word for me, not for everybody. And based on the statement, gumamit na ng salitang probably. So, this is an opinion.